In today's video, I'm going to show you how to humanize AI writing content using this NoteGPT.io tool. It's absolutely free for joining this link. I will attach in the description. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to sign up with the Gmail. Once you have signed up, done, then you need to click AI writer. Then here is a lots of things: AI detector, AI humanize. So you need to click on this, then paste your blog post here. Then you can see this is the human eyes. So wow, it's already done. It's so faster now. And just copy this, copy. If I going to this AI detector, then paste my blog post, then you can see detecting how many percent it's created using AI. It started 6%. It's don't matter. And if you want to create a 0% AI generate, you again click on humanize, then again check, again click humanize, and then again check. I hope, and repeat 2 or 3 times, then your blog post will be 0% AI generate and 100% human generate. This is easy drag and drop website you can use. This link I will attach in the description. Thanks for watching. See you again.